The cycle and options menus at the top of the dishwasher door allow for the right cycle to be chosen for each load. Sensor is a selectable cycle that calibrates the dishwasher to use the optimal wash cycle to clean dishes, detecting changes in water temperature. A sensor monitors water clarity and adjusts the water temperature to match the dish soil level. The cookware cycle uses water and heat for hard-to-clean, heavily soiled pots, pans, casseroles, and regular tableware. You can clean normal amounts of food soil with normal cycle. Crystal lowers wash temperature to protect your dishes. Rapid is for dishes with light soil, reducing cycle time. Refresh will pre-rinse dishes without detergent when you're not planning to immediately run a full wash load, or use Refresh to clean dishes before guests arrive. After selecting your cycle type, you can then choose a cycle option. The Precision Dry Plus is an option that uses the Heated Drying Plus, a system of vents and a fan that directs moist air out of the dishwasher right into the drain hole. The Mid-Rack Wash option washes dishes in the middle rack zone and can be used with most wash cycles. In a similar fashion, choosing the Bottom Rack Wash option washes dishes only on the bottom rack. To select Bottom Rack Wash, press the Middle Rack Wash button a second time. The 1 to 24-hour delay gives you the option to postpone the start of your wash cycle in 1-hour increments for up to 24 hours. Each press of the delay button will incrementally add 1 hour to the delay. When Sanitize Rinse is selected, the final rinse water is heated to 155 degrees Fahrenheit, eliminating 99.999% of food soil bacteria. This meets national requirements for household sanitization. The Hi-Temp option provides an increased water temperature during washing for hard-to-remove soils. And lastly, the Steam Finish option generates a mist of steam before the final rinse cycle to help enhance shine and finish on glassware.